The ultimate guide to avocado recipes, from toasts to smoothies. Avocados have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. They are not only delicious and creamy but also packed with essential nutrients. Avocados are incredibly versatile and can be used in a wide array of recipes, from simple avocado toasts to refreshing avocado smoothies. In this ultimate guide, we will explore a variety of mouth-watering avocado recipes that are sure to satisfy your taste buds and provide you with the health benefits this incredible fruit has to offer. Understanding the nutritional benefits of avocados. Before we delve into the recipes, it's important to understand why avocados are considered a nutritional powerhouse. Avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which promote heart health and aid in reducing bad cholesterol levels. They are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, providing a feeling of satiety and supporting digestive health. Furthermore, avocados contain an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and various B vitamins. With their high antioxidant content and anti-inflammatory properties, avocados offer a myriad of health benefits. 2. Avocado toasts, a symphony of flavors and textures. Classic avocado toast. Begin with a slice of toasted whole-grain bread and spread a generous amount of mashed avocado. Squeeze fresh lemon or lime juice over the avocado and season with a pinch of sea salt and cracked black pepper. Optional toppings include a sprinkle of red pepper flakes or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Avocado and tomato toast. Enhance the classic avocado toast by adding sliced ripe tomatoes on top of the mashed avocado. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and a dash of balsamic glaze or a drizzle of balsamic reduction for a burst of tangy sweetness. Mediterranean avocado toast. Elevate your avocado toast with Mediterranean flavors. Spread mashed avocado on toasted bread and layer it with sliced cucumbers, Kalamata olives, crumbled feta cheese, and a drizzle of tahini dressing or extra virgin olive oil. Top it off with a sprinkle of dried oregano for an authentic taste. Smoked salmon and avocado toast. Indulge in a luxurious avocado toast experience by pairing mashed avocado with thinly sliced smoked salmon. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a sprinkle of chopped dill, and capers for a delightful blend of flavors.
3. Avocado smoothies, creamy and nourishing delights. Green Goddess smoothie. In a blender, combine a ripe avocado, a handful of spinach or kale, a frozen banana, a splash of almond milk or coconut water, and a spoonful of honey or maple syrup. Blend until smooth and creamy, and enjoy a refreshing and nutrient-packed green smoothie. Tropical avocado smoothie. Combine a ripe avocado, frozen pineapple chunks, coconut milk, a squeeze of lime juice, and a drizzle of honey in a blender. Blend until creamy, and experience the tropical flavors of this luscious smoothie. Chocolate avocado smoothie. Indulge in a decadent yet healthy chocolate treat by blending a ripe avocado, unsweetened cocoa powder, almond milk, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a touch of honey or dates for natural sweetness. This smoothie is both creamy and rich in antioxidants. Berry Bliss smoothie. Blend a ripe avocado, a cup of mixed berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and a drizzle of honey. The result is a delightful and refreshing smoothie bursting with antioxidants and probiotics.
4. Avocado desserts, sweet treat. ChatGPT. Avocado chocolate mousse. Indulge in a guilt-free dessert by blending ripe avocados, unsweetened cocoa powder, a sweetener of your choice, such as maple syrup or honey, a splash of vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt. Blend until smooth and refrigerate for a few hours to allow the mousse to set. Serve chilled, and enjoy a velvety and decadent chocolate treat. Avocado key lime pie. Put a twist on the classic key lime pie by incorporating avocados into the filling. Blend ripe avocados, fresh lime juice, condensed milk, a touch of vanilla extract, and a graham cracker crust. Chill the pie in the refrigerator for a few hours before serving. The result is a tangy and creamy pie with a delightful avocado undertone.
Avocado ice cream. Create a creamy and dairy-free ice cream by blending ripe avocados, coconut milk, a sweetener of your choice, and a pinch of salt. Once blended, transfer the mixture to an ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions. Enjoy a refreshing and velvety avocado ice cream that will cool you down on a hot day. Avocado and lime popsicles. Beat the heat with homemade avocado and lime popsicles. Blend ripe avocados, fresh lime juice, a sweetener of your choice, and a splash of coconut milk. Pour the mixture into popsicle molds and freeze until solid. These vibrant and refreshing treats are perfect for both kids and adults alike. The conclusion. Avocados are a versatile fruit that can be used in a multitude of recipes, from savory to sweet. Whether you're enjoying avocado toast for breakfast, sipping on a creamy avocado smoothie, or treating yourself to a delightful avocado dessert, the possibilities are endless. With their rich flavor, creamy texture, and incredible health benefits, avocados are a true culinary gem. So go ahead and explore the world of avocado recipes and savor the deliciousness and nourishment that this remarkable fruit has to offer.